What's up guys, Matt Steffanina back here with another tutorial, and today I'm going to be teaching you a new routine to my remix of Falling by Trevor Daniels. I took a lot of time to remix this song. It's one of my favorite songs right now. As you know, it's a little bit slower, not really a hip hop dance song, so I kind of put a drop to it, put my own spin on it. If you guys like it, I would really appreciate your support on the song. You can find it on SoundCloud. Also, I'm filming a music video. I'll put the links all down below. Once you learn it, post your covers up, tag me in them so we can repost. Also, if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, the song is there as well, so you can catch that. Thank you again for your support. I love you guys, and let's get to the tutorial. All right, guys, so to start off this routine, you're gonna step out on your left foot, and we have this little piece that repeats. The rhythm is gonna go, my last maid, my last maid. So it's sort of similar both times. You're gonna step out, you're going my, you're coming in, last, and then you're gonna come up to here. So there's a little bit of a melt on the first one, and then shoom, shoom, clean, clean, and then you repeat it, out, you're gonna come in, and then when you come up this time, you're gonna go here. So you're saying like, hold on, then your hand is gonna loop through to come to here. So all I'm doing is coming through this hole like this. So I'm going down and through. You say never, so you're just kind of tilting your head with your hand, and then you're gonna twist to the left, zoom, and then you're gonna bring your hands behind your head again and bring that foot in. So let's just get that first 8 count. 6, 7, 8, my last, I would never try and head. Nice, from here, going on. You're gonna step back, you're gonna go twist, twist, knees come up, then you're gonna go hand, hand, knees come up. So we have again like kind of a repeat in the lyrics. So you're gonna dun dun ba dun dun ba. So repeat this leg move twice like that. Then you're gonna go onto your right foot, reach over, and then we're gonna come around to go out, cross your hands on your chest, and then pull that left hand through, and that's gonna slide your right leg in so that you can step down on that right foot. So this is kind of like your intro. Let's just get that one more time before we go on. You go 7, 8, my last up, I would never try and head, doom, doom, knees, doom, doom, knees, 5, 6, and whoop, and ha. How'd you do so far? It's kind of tricky, this little intro, but you're gonna feel it with the music once you try it, especially these like clean parts. They're gonna feel really good once you get that pocket. So we did out, and you come through here, whoop. You're stepping on your right foot, you're going here. Again, like you're saying, hold on. You're here, you're going ta, ta. You're gonna pick your knee up to step back, to twist over, to go hand, hand, shoulders, head, X, down, right and left and. All right, I know that seemed like a lot. Don't worry, we're gonna go back over it slow. I just wanted you to kind of feel it out one time. So after you do this pull through, this goes 1, you're gonna go and 2, twisting. You're gonna go and 3, you're gonna turn your feet, and then you're gonna go 4 and 5 and. So that's just hand, hand, shoulders, head. Then you're gonna go 6 and. So X down, you step together to go right and left and. And this is probably the hardest part of this routine just because it's repetitive, like super fast, doom, 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 doom. But you're gonna hear it in the music. Now what we have to do is just get this really clean. So one more time slow, and then we'll speed it up from the 1. You're going 7, 8, this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Try faster, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and zoom, ha. Hey, you're gonna get it. From here, your right foot is gonna come around, step, step. Your hands are just doing this little wave. So you're here, your left hand comes on top. It's like you got a ball of energy. Whoop, and then you're gonna come by your sides like this. So we put that together with the leg. Whoop, around, ta, ta. As soon as that left foot hits, that initializes this wave, so arm, arm, body, and then your head's gonna hit to the front, boom. So notice how I left my head to the back for that whole section. After here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. I'm knocking off this. 5 to go 6, 7, and 8. This is like a little breath in. You're kind of like releasing this. So all I'm doing after the 5 is I just sort of knock, and you can make this your own. You just basically have this little moment to bounce off of that. then you're coming towards you and lifting. So this is like you're gonna step on your right foot and push out and lean away like this. Now this is where the drop is, so you guys are over halfway done already. So let's go back from the top. Nice and slow, let's just get it up to there, and then we'll learn to drop. 5, 6, 7, 8, my last made. I would never try again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, never was. 1 and 2 and 3, twist 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, twist around. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, boom. Hey, all right, good job so far. Got the hardest section down, now the drop. There's some musicality in here that we're gonna catch, but I'm gonna walk you guys through it step by step, so don't stress. I got you, you hit 1, you're way here. This is gonna go brah, you're gonna go brah. So more than anything, it's like a wiggle to a grab. If you wanna make it like a wave and a roll, you can like style it how you want. Honestly, doom, brah. If you just shake your hands and then make this really clean when you come in, it's gonna look good. Then you hit 2 bases. Doom, the first one opens this right shoulder, so you're pulling your right shoulder back, then you're gonna step on this right foot, doom, and pull your left shoulder back, and it's gonna send my hips around this way. So I'm going boom, my hips go to the left, to the back to go ta-ta-ta. A little TikTok move for the TikTokers out there. Zoom, ta-ta-ta. And then you're gonna pull this across. So it's like almost like you're pulling like a thread. I kind of have my hands like this, my thumb touching my first finger, and I'm pulling across. I'm gonna throw this, and then I'm gonna go step, twist, grab, twist, grab. So my right hand does all the work. It's like it's pulling my knee. So it's throw, step, in, and then I'm just going to here. And I'm gonna stop this fist here, because I'm gonna isolate from here. I'm gonna go arms, and as soon as my arms get around to here, boom, I'm gonna twist my legs. So it's gonna go like doom, doom. Then you're gonna go right hand across, left hand across. Your feet are gonna go heel, toe, up. And your hands are just pushing out and then stopping here. Cool, let's get up to there just from the drop. 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 7, 8, 1, 2, and a 3, 4, 5, 6, and D, ga. Hey, then from here, we have a little groove. You're gonna catch this, ooh. There's like a stutter in the vocal. So you're gonna go, right hand goes up first, ooh. And it's like a little slide, slide. Then you're gonna go, whoop, catch this here, and I'm looking to the side to release, to go, D, and then I'm gonna pull this through. So this part is a little quick. This goes, and a 1, 2, and 3, doom, doom, pull through, then you're gonna just roll this back. All right, you're almost there, so close. Our last 8 count. From here, you're coming up and over to scoop, 1, 2. You're just gonna step out 3 and So I'm going right and right, high and low. And from this scoop, doom, heavy here to go deep, deep, deep. You're gonna boom, release this last step. You're gonna go boom, boom. So I'm waving into this, and there's 2 bases that I wanna hit. So 4, 5, this is gonna go, and my right hand comes down first, and 6. Last part, you're just gonna come 7, you're gonna come around off of this, and then this right hand is gonna come up your chest. And I always think of it like, it's almost like you're like stealing someone's voice, like Little Mermaid at the end. So you come here, shoot, and you wanna just grab that. And then there's a big bass hit right there. So you can kind of finish it however you want. You'll see in the video, people did different things into their freestyles, but here, if you want doom, to hit that big bass to go into your freestyle, you got it there. All right, that's it, you guys. Good job making it through the combo. This one is a little bit of a challenge, like all of them, but I'm gonna go back from just the drop first, and then we'll do the whole thing. Make sure you got that ending down, right? 5, from here, 6, 7, 8, you go 1, 2, and a 3, 4, 5, and a 7, pull, 1, 2, and a 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and a 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6 and a 7 over 8. 1, 2, this is and a 3, 4, 5, and a 6, and a 8. So there's a little pause at that end. 4, 5, and a 6. You hold the and then my right arm is coming over, and then my left arm follows it, and then my right arm comes up to grab right there. All right, that's it. You guys got it? From the top, nice and slow, the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and knees, 5, 6, da, and 1 and 2 and 3, twist, 4 and 5 and 6 and doom, da, 1, 2 and a 3 and 4, boom, 6, 7, 1, 2 and a 3, boom, boom, da, 1, 2 and a 3, 4, 5, goom, goom, 7 and doom, doom and whoom, got, 5, 6 and a got, 8, 1, 2 and a 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. All right. That's it slow. I think this is one of those combos that's way harder to do with the counts than it is with the music, because the music kind of tells you when to speed up and what timing. The counts are sort of random when you just hear them, right? So if you're a little confused right now, do this a couple times, maybe the slow one, and then try the fast one, then go listen to the music and try it with the music. Then you can always come back here to clean it up. But like this is on that bop, 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 bop. It's like really obvious what that timing is when you hear the actual music. So let's go a little faster from the top so you guys will be ready to try it with the track. And here we go, deep breath. 5, 6, 7, 8, last made my last turn. I would never try a hat. Boom, boom, hot, doom, doom, hot something, D. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and doom, dot, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and goom. 7, 1, 2 and a 3, goom, goom, titika, boom, titika. Doom, doom, and 6, 7, and 8, and a 1, 2, and 3, D, 5, and a goom. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, boom, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's the whole combo. Make sure you guys learn it, get it down, and then post your covers. Even if you're not 100%, don't be afraid to start putting your stuff out there. Make sure you tag me in them so I can find them and repost. Thank you guys, of course, so much for supporting my music as well. The remix will be on SoundCloud. I would love to get it on Spotify, but we'll see about the copyright. But make sure you guys subscribe, follow me on everything, and we'll be back for another tutorial soon.